Guys, today I show you how I replace the RF amplifier with the Mosfet RFM70U12D that looks like this. I replace it to RD70HVF1 that looks like this. Before you replace it, you have to turn this VR variable resistor. You have to turn into right clockwise and set the radio transceiver into low power output, not on middle or high position. Please turn it into low RF output. And then the next I replace this 2.2 kilo ohm resistor into 4.7 kilo ohm. Now I will test it. Because I don't have SVR, the tools to measuring RF output, so I will use this multitester to test it. I put this probe together into antenna connector like this. I turn on this radio. Now I will test to push the PTT. Okay, as you can see. Now I will trim this VR. While see the multitester needle. Okay. Good. It's pretty enough. Okay, this is pretty enough to low RF position setting on this transceiver. I'll try to set it into middle. Okay, this is in middle RF output position. As you can see, now the multitester needle move like that, and the LED on this multitester light up when I push this PTT. Okay, so the Mosfet RF output is working good. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.